out here now. Let's go. All right, I've officially paddled out. We are, you know, I'm at a launch from a park, and I believe this is the Indian River part of it, at least. Oh, the dolphins right there. That's sweet. This is pretty flat, I guess. I'm gonna try to work my way into some mangroves that are straight ahead. See if we can't get into any fish. I'll be throwing a swim bait. I brought some other bait, some shrimp, some squid for a bigger rod. Just rocking with 2 rods today, and my paddleboard, and whatever gear's on my back. So, this is the first real excursion with this paddleboard. I did take it to Waikua Springs and just a little lake in Orlando, but this is the mission that will test its seaworthiness. So far I'm feeling pretty good. Some dude's fishing on a shipwreck, it looks like. Making pretty decent headway. I will get back to y'all when we're casting and hopefully catching. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna start casting around in these flats. See if anything picks this up. Just throwing a little paddle tail swim bait with a purple tail. Nothing too fancy, but let's see if it works. This is my first time really fishing flats. That was pretty cool experience. I've officially ran aground on this little flat here. It gets deeper right before these mangroves. Just gotta walk it a little bit. Water feels pretty good. These will be some wakes. Mobbing right past me. Don't mind that. Wee. Damn, I chose the worst time to cross. There's like fucking 5 boats. I think I'm just gonna take a few casts around here because it's I'm on a really deep channel here. I'm pretty sure I've gotten a few bites. Oh, that was a fish. Good fish. I just got bit by a pretty good fish. Cast it right around that area again. Okay, I'm definitely getting bites, and that right there proves it. So, I'll take this one off, put a new one on, take some more casts around here, and hopefully we can hook up with whatever it is. I think it's probably little because they're not necessarily inhaling this bait, they're kind of taking pecks at it. So I'm gonna put my hook up as far as I can on the tail here. Looks a little funky, but we'll see if it works. Oh, there's one. Oh, they're just little guys. That explains it. I'm not exactly sure what this is, a pinfish maybe. But yeah, first fish out here on the paddleboard. Well, not on the paddleboard, but got the paddleboard to get me here. So, cool. We'll unhook this dude and release him. All right, so I've gone for a little bait approach on this bigger rod, just because this is a pretty deep hole right here, and I've been getting bites on my swim bait, but they feel kind of little, so I have a pretty small hook on this, small weight. It's a big rod, but who knows, maybe something nice size will bite, or maybe we'll just get some little ratfish to have fun with. Yes, finally got one of these little fish again. It's always these little things, but hey, it's a fish. I guess it is a fish. That makes number 2 for the day. Hopefully I'm recording. Yep. Well, my battery's almost out, and that's my second one already. So we're out here, we made it, we didn't get skunked, we got 2 of these fish. We'll see if we can get some more, hopefully something bigger and better than this, but oh well, it's always good to not get skunked. And I get my bait back. Oh my god. What's up, dude? Alrighty, I'm gonna keep on moving on. This was a nice little beach to post up at for a little bit, but I got some dolphins that swam right by here. I didn't get it on the GoPro, but I did film it on Snapchat, so hopefully I'll be able to put that in the video. But anyways, let's just keep on paddling along, see if we can get any fish on film before my camera completely dies. It's at like 23%. Gone through both of my batteries already today, but either way, had a fun time. I think I'll make a video out of it. Caught those 2 little, what I think are pinfish. Some other fish jumping over there. It's getting pretty calm actually, which is nice. Hopefully it stays like that. And I'll just continue on tossing around the swim bait. I'll definitely be out here again soon, because it's pretty fun out here. New boat, who's this?